Again, mountains serve as habitat for humans. When we talk about habitat for humans, we're talking about settlement. About 20% of the world's population live on mountains. The Alps, which lie extensively in Europe, are the most densely populated mountain area in the world. So aside all the importance mountains generate, they also serve as a place of settlement for humans. And as I said, about 20% of the world's population live on mountains. Mountains also serve as a source of food. There are so many varieties of food that can be derived from mountainous places. Wild foods such as mushrooms, birds, and game for human consumption. There are a lot of animals that live in mountainous places, and those animals are sometimes killed for food. Even though it is very difficult to plant in mountainous places, but still people are able to grow crops in mountainous places. And that type of farming is known as the terrace farming. So this is how the terrace is made. The land is cultivated in such a way that it looks like stairs. And the main reason behind that is to reduce or slow down erosion. Because of the steepness of the land, erosion is very rampant. And in order to slow down the erosion, the stairs are made so that the plants can get enough space to grow. So this is the vegetable terrace on the Alps in Europe. And this is the rice terrace of the Philippine Cordilleras, which dates back 2,000 years ago. It was made a very long time, about 2,000 years. So even though it is very complex to farm in mountainous regions, but through the efforts of technology, we are now able to grow crops or cultivate food crops in mountainous regions. So these are some of the advantages of mountains. Now, let's look at some disadvantages of mountains.